How to use Looker data analytics properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Looker is a powerful data analytics platform, but many beginners make mistakes that waste time and lead to misleading insights. Most people get this wrong, but here's why a proper setup matters. The first mistake is not structuring your data correctly. Looker relies on well-defined models to connect your databases. Beginners often skip planning their data architecture, which leads to broken queries or inconsistent dashboards. Always define clear relationships between tables and ensure your data is clean before diving in. Another common error is overloading dashboards with too much information. It's tempting to show every metric, but cluttered dashboards confuse decision-making. Focus on key KPIs relevant to your business goals like conversion rates, revenue trends, or churn metrics. Use filters and drill-down options to give deeper context without overwhelming users. A third mistake is ignoring LookML, Looker's modeling language. Many beginners rely only on ad hoc queries and miss the chance to create reusable, standardized metrics. Learning LookML allows you to define metrics once and use them consistently across dashboards, saving time and preventing errors. Collaboration errors are also frequent. Looker allows team members to comment, schedule reports, and share insights. Beginners often export data to spreadsheets instead of using built-in collaboration features, creating version control issues. Centralize your analytics work within Looker for better transparency and communication. Finally, not setting alerts is a common oversight. Looker can trigger notifications when metrics reach certain thresholds, like sudden drops in traffic or sales. Failing to use alerts means you might miss critical changes until it's too late. To use Looker effectively, start with clean, well-structured data, simplify dashboards, leverage LookML for reusable metrics, centralize collaboration, and set alerts. Avoiding these beginner mistakes transforms Looker from a complex tool into a strategic analytics platform that drives smarter decisions and faster action.